It's a sharky.
So I want to get a fish hook in it. Fishermen hook these guys accidentally, and some will have fishing line on too. Then you're not going to bring the shark back and forth.
So some of them have stuff on their gills.
Well, those are parasites, like the omnipod parasites. The leeches, they hang up on the gills at the highest flow of oxygen right there. Blood. Arms or hands up here, you yank them off.
It's a duck.
Duck?
Yeah, the little bird thing.
Oh yeah, what kind of bird is that?
That is a
Almost.
A very brave one.
Oh. What kind again? Fly away. I can't hear you.
Look at them circling the bird.
Oh.